Hello, this is Hiko. I am currently customizing this BMW R1100 RS. Last time, I removed the rust from the tank that I bought for 100 yen, but this time, I will repair the outside. First, I removed the emblem. Since I bought it new, I will do it without hesitation. It got scratched, but I don't mind because I will paint it anyway, but I will remove the remaining residue. It may be difficult to see in the video, but there is a noticeable dent, so I will make it less noticeable with solder welding. I will remove the paint to make it easier to solder. I will apply an oxidation remover called flux and hold the solder. After applying the solder, I will smooth it out with a rough 80 grit file. I finished it off with metal putty. Next time, I will paint it with urethane in cool black, so if you like, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So please look forward to the next time.